Hello everyone! I will tell you about a beautiful house in Calabasas. This house was built for 6 years and believe me, it's worth it. The designer have tried very hard and the result is simply inspiring. Now I will tell you about 5 reasons why this house is worth $38 million. Reason 1. Panoramic infinity pool. This pool is one of the main features of this mansion. Yes, you heard right, this house can even be called a mansion. After all, its size is impressive. Let's go back to the pool. The pool is made using the endless water technique. That is, you can observe a constant flow of water. This house is worth every penny because only one view from the pool is worth it. The landscape falls right into the Santa Monica Mountains, hiking trails in the mountains. Looking at the world landscape, you are filled with unreal calmness and tranquility. The infinity pool also has an adjacent bar corner, bathroom, pool house, barbecue kitchen. Nearby, there is a sitting area with showers, an artificial fire that lights up at night. All this is a work of designer and planners. If you think this was done by accident or very quickly, you are wrong. Reason 2. Incredible light throughout the house. It seems that everything in this house glows. Mirrors, stays, countertops, shelving. Here, every corner of the house is really highlighted, even in the darkest corner, and it's really inspiring. After all, in such a large one wants to live and develop, and in general, the whole area of Calabasas is made in a very pleasant light range. However, it is this house that gets the advantage in the Mont Pleasant Lion. After all, the walls of the cinema are illuminated here. Also, a plus of light also includes panoramic and front skylights. There is a window in almost every meter of this house. The window in the master bedroom looks especially cool. It overlooks the backyard, where the main highlight of the house is located, the infinity pool. Of course, all ceiling have ether all over attested features or large chandeliers that incredibly capture the elegance and minimalism of this home. Reason 3. Cinema. You know, this cinema looks like a VIP room in the most expensive hotel. It has lovely, soft varnishing with incredible wide seating. This furniture has cup holders, just like in a real cinema. You can turn on heating or cooling mode, so you can have coffee or cold Pepsi just by pressing a button. Of course, like a real cinema, it is equipped with a toilet. The seats also have soft footrest, so you can even sleep while watching a boring movie. And the best part is that there are no such seats here to watch a cool movie with friends, family or acquaintances. 4 reason. Dry sauna with massage table. If you are a fan of visiting a bathhouse or spa treatments, then this corner of the house will definitely appeal to you. And the design of the saunas is just great. The peculiarity of this house is also that almost everything is covered with marble, and this adds outer wealth and abundance. And if you like massage or you often get tired or back hurts, you can just lie on the electric massage chair and get higher. A rain ceiling can also be seen here, which gives the illusion that you're walking in the rain. Imagine how cold it is to wash and think that you're under the pouring downpour. Here you can also see a check automatic doors that open at the touch of a button. Almost the entire house is equipped with such doors. 5 reason. Different size for hobbies. It feels like this house was created just universally. The architects thought of everything. There is a basketball court, a golf course, and a games room with billiards. And there is also a sitting area on the balcony of the main bedroom to sit with the family in nature. There is a huge garage for 10 cars. If you try, you can even arrange a marathon. And in principle, at home there is a lot of interesting and international fashion things, like a space gift screen in the closet, a fake waterfall in a formal living room, an outdoor space, and a cool clock in the living room that shows you the time in large letters. Time can be seen even from Earth without looking at the house hands. There is also a cool sport gym with a panoramic window to jog on the track and admire the mountain views of Los Angeles. There are of course many cool features in this home, such as opening racks by gnawing and bumping palms. Designer also tried to create a pleasant smell, and in each room there is a certain pleasant smell that is associated with the environment. In the bathroom it is a smell of freshness, in the hall it is a smell of books, etc. Very nice furniture design. Everything is really tasteful and everything fits very coolly into the norms of classic designer. This home is incredible aesthetic, and if they ask me if I want to live here, I answered yes without hesitation. How would you answer? Would you like to live there? Write in the comment please. See you later.